Okay, I'm making this video because it seems like a lot of people are having trouble with this clutch nut, which is a bit of a pain. Right here, if I can get it. It's a bit of a pain to get off. I've seen some videos of a guy taking one of these bolts here out, hooking a chain to it, and then securing the chain to the frame to hold this pulley still, or this clutch still. I saw a video of a guy that just takes a big wrench and puts on it, and then hits it with a bar. I'm going to show you how I do it. Right over here on your tensioner pulley, there's a little square right there. And it's for a socket to relieve tension so you can remove your belt. What I'm actually going to do, though, is the opposite of that. I'm going to use it to add tension to my belt. That's going to tighten my belt up and hopefully hold that still. And we'll be able to get that thing still enough that we can knock that off. I'm going to set that up, and then I'm going to be right back and show you how I got it set up. Okay, I got it set up. Here's what I was talking about, where your socket wrench will just go right in that. I've got a little cheater bar. It's actually a pair of handlebars that I had laying around that I use as a cheater bar. And I've used it to add tension to this pulley to tighten this belt up. Now I've just got it secured over here. If you're going to secure it the way I did, be really careful with these lines. These are your coolant lines, and you don't want to mess those up. Or your AC lines, you don't want to mess those up. But it adds tension to this belt, and it'll keep that from moving. Rented this wrench from AutoZone for 25 bucks. Pretty simple. You just throw it on there. It's a wrench. If you're changing a water pump, I'm going to assume you know how to put it on a nut. You get the biggest, heaviest hammer you have. That's a little heavier than the hammer I've got around the house. But it's simple. Hopefully. And as you can see, you may have to hit it a little harder than that. But as you can see, that clutch is free now. Or that nut is free. And I'll be able to spin that off. I'm not going to take it all the way off till I get my water pump out of there, or my shroud out of the way. But it's loose, and I'm ready to move on to the next step. Hope that helps y'all out. Good luck, guys.